Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're in the backyard of Autosport, but we have a absolutely spectacular 2010 997 Turbo. Obviously great midnight blue color with full red Carrera leather. Spectacular combination, spectacular car, highly optioned, great build sheet on this car. We've sold this car twice before. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll take it for a ride. All right, so here we are in our 2010 Porsche 997 Turbo. Do a little cold start here. She fires right up. Really is a spectacular Carrera Red leather interior, silver gauges, upgraded with a modern stereo with Apple CarPlay. It's got a hidden passport radar detector in it. Really beautiful car. 10,000 miles from new. We've sold this car twice before. Now it's ready for its next loving owner. So we'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. Okay, we have a little temperature in our 997 Turbo. Such an awesome car. PDK is spectacular, easy to shift. You got paddle shifts. You got the sunroof open, air conditioning cranking. This car's got a few upgrades to it. Full modern Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto stereo. It's got an IPD Y-pipe and intake plenum with a high flow air filter. Full PPF to the nose, and it's got an Aero Kit front lip spoiler, painted body color. Really nice car. Besides the full leather interior with Carrera Red, posing stitching throughout, all done by the exclusive program at Porsche. Aluminum gauges, aluminum vents, aluminum air intakes, massive list of options. Again, that build sheet comes with the car. Really well thought out, well ordered car. Not a creak, not a rattle. 10,000 miles as you'd expect. Really, when you sit in here, it's such a special place to be with all this leather throughout and all red with the opposing stitching. Beautiful blue stitching throughout, matches the outside of the car. Instant acceleration, as you'd expect. Really no hesitation, no turbo lag whatsoever. These cars are really fun to drive, yet docile. You could drive these every day, putt around anywhere you want. Also has the Sport Chrono package, so you got the stopwatch on the dashboard there. That also in aluminum, silver dial. We'll come up here to the S's and we'll put her through her paces a little bit for you. All right, gonna come up to the S's here a little bit. All-wheel drive as well, so really helps with the handling. My goodness, talk about a car you just point and shoot. Car is spectacularly responsive, from the power put to the ground to the steering and then the brakes. This is really an awesome car. We'll come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. So comfortable, so easy to drive, yet instant response and oodles of power. Really, really nice car. You can go sport mode, you can go sport plus, and really puts that engine response instantaneous. Nothing like boost, as they say. Yet again, so docile in standard form. It's really spectacular. Heated seats, cooling seats, memory seats. Very, very well options. We're going to come up here to the farm road and we'll put her through her paces for you. Okay, here we are. We'll go sport, sport plus. Oh yeah. My goodness. Really feel it all-wheel drive. Digging in and putting all that power to the pavement. What a spectacular car. Yet so comfortable. Luggage room in the back, luggage room up front. It's a great car, a really great all-around car. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. And we'll catch you on the next one.